Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. I often get asked, how long do sausages take to cook in the air fryer? And I always say this depends. Before we share this amazing recipe with you, we recommend that you head over to RecipeThis.com. At the top of the site is a search bar, and you can search for any of our recipes that are featured on our YouTube channel. So this makes it really easy. So if you see one of our videos and you want step-by-step photos or a free printable recipe card, then that search box is amazing. And then if you scroll down below that, you'll be able to see our categories. And what you can do is, let's say you've got an Instant Pot, you can click on the link just for Instant Pot recipes. The same for the air fryer, slow cooker, soup maker, Thermomix, or whichever recipe you've got. And best of all, I highly recommend you enter your email address and sign up for our weekly newsletter. In our weekly newsletter, we feature all our latest recipes, as long as tips, tricks, popular previous recipes, and so much more. And we just really would like it if you join. And then when you do join, you can reply to any of our newsletters and you'll get direct email response from me or my husband Dominic, and it's just brilliant. You can also look through the archives of our entire site. So let's say you're looking for Christmas ideas, then you can look at December of the previous year or the year before that for some great ideas, search for our categories and do so much more. We've got 1,400 plus kitchen gadget recipes on Recipe This, and I just cannot wait to see you over there and welcome you to the Recipe This family. It depends whether they're thin or thick sausages. It depends whether they're thawed or frozen. And I think the biggest thing is, it depends on how brown you like your sausages. The way my dad used to do sausages, I used to say, they're burnt, I aren't eating those. They just look so seriously overdone. And now I like them with just a little bit of colour to them. So of course we all like our sausages differently. So I want to show you the difference for how many minutes for cooking sausages in the air fryer and the different level of brownness you can do. I'm using really thick sausages here. These have come from my favourite butchers and they do lovely sausages, and these are red onion and marmalade flavour and they're just absolutely amazing. So this is the amount of sausages I would normally cook in the air fryer. So we're going to load these into the air fryer, and then you can see if they're to your liking or how many minutes you need to cook yours for. So get out your air fryer basket, and then you want to be loading up the sausages. You might have to do some on the angle to make sure they all fit in your air fryer. And there they are, there's all the sausages in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you them at barely cooked first. So if you want to start with 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit. And then I'm going to show you what they look like on 8 minutes first. So then press start. And we've beeped. And now these are the sausages at 8 minutes. And wow, look at these sausages already. They're looking fantastic. And now I'm going to show you what these sausages look like when they've had 10 minutes. So now let's do another 2 minutes on these sausages and I'll show you what they're like. And we've beeped. And these are air fryer sausages after 10 minutes. And wow, don't they look fantastic? They are now starting to get lovely brown colour on them. And these are absolutely perfectly cooked and perfect for serving for dinner. But of course, we all love them on different levels of brownness. So now that's your 10 minutes. Let me show you what 12 minutes looks like. which is what we actually use in a lot of our sausages recipes, is 12 minutes because we think that's a really good level of brownness, but it depends on how brown you like your sausages. And this is what the sausages are like on 12 minutes. And wow, the brownness on those is absolutely brilliant. So, you know, if you want sausages with that level of brownness, then 12 minutes is absolutely spot on. And now, for those like my dad that love the lovely barbecue colour, we're going to show you what 15-minute sausages look like. So, air fry back on. We're going to add 3 more minutes and that'll take them up to 15 minutes, and then press start. And we've beeped. So let's check out these sausages on a 15-minute cook time, shall we? There you have it. That's air fried sausages that have been cooked for 15 minutes. If you want the all the way around brown, like you get when you barbecue sausages, then it's all about a longer cook time. So if you see there, that's sausages on 15 minutes. And then they're just perfect. Obviously, if you're doing thin sausages, this isn't going to apply. But of course, if you head over to recipethis.com and you search for sausage, we've got so many different sausage recipes for the air fryer. We've got different brands of sausages, such as Heck chicken sausages. We've got your regular thick sausages like these. We've got them cooked from frozen. And of course, we've got the English favourite sausage and chips as well. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.